Welcome back. Now in this tutorial you are going to be learning how to create a design portfolio. Now this is what you are going to be using to sell yourself. I think I have dealt extensively on the purpose of a design portfolio. So now it's time to create one. But before you do that, now I've given us four sites. That you can actually visit to have inspirations and at the same time create your portfolio. Now, one of them is Behance.net. Behance.net. You can see that on the web address, Behance.net. Now, look at this particular design portfolio by Mr. Perfect. Now, let's scroll through it. So what do you have here? You have design graphic designer portfolio and then the name of the guy. Then you have content, what this guy has been able to upload it on this particular platform. Then a short introduction of himself, the image. Then you have the contact and the profiles. Then the next thing you look at the technical skills of this particular guy and all his achievement and experience, education, and the rest of them. And then he's able to organize these particular skills of his into various categories. Now look at logo design. That's for number one. You're able to sell of this logo design. Then number two is branding. He was able to upload this. Then number three, creative for social media. Then number four, advertising gadget design. He uploaded some pictures there. Then number five, banner designs. These are the pictures. Then business card design. These are the picture. Then flyer designs. You have this. Then brochure design. You have this one. And then poster design. You have this. Then roll-up design. You have this ones. And then voucher design. You have this one. Then invitation design. You have this one. Then ticket design. You have this one. Then loyalty card design. You have this one. Then stickers design. You have this. Then calendar design. You have this. Then certificate design. You have this. Then menu design. You have this. Photo editing. You have this. Web design. You have this. And then finally you have the thank you section. Okay. Now in all of this, notice something. For each of the various aspects of the design, he uploaded just two photos, just two pictures or images each. Two. So he didn't overwhelm the page with a lot of images per section, two per section, and that's quite fine and very interesting. Now let's now go to Crevado. That's the second site, Crevado. The third site is Carbon Made, and then you have the portfolio box, which is the fourth one. So, but I'm going to be focusing on these two, Behance and also Crevado. So Behance, I'm using Behance to give inspiration on how to create your portfolio, so you have an idea of what is to be inside your portfolio. Then we now use Crevado to create a free template. Now this one does not have a free template, I think, so that's why I'm going to be using Crevado. So let me get back to Crevado. Okay, so I will just open a new tab and then paste crevado.com. Okay, so what do we have now? This is crevado.com. So usually you sign up, so I'll just click on get started now, and then you put in your details. So let me just put in my details. Okay, so I have been able to fill everything, so I'll just click on create my online portfolio. Now, okay, this particular email has been taken, so let me get another. Okay, since all my emails have been taken, so just sign up. In my own case now, I'm just going to log in since I've signed in before, so I'll just log in. Okay, put in my remember me, then I will just do this. So I have this one there, and what do we have here? So we have galleries. So I'm just going to upload from my galleries. Okay, so I'll click on create gallery. So let me just get gallery here. So gallery name, let me give it. Gallery allows you to group your work and keep your portfolio organized. Your plan allows you to create up to 5 galleries. So let me have the first one, graphic, flyer design. Let me just put flyer design here. Flyer design for the first one. Then, okay, work. Then I'll click on create gallery. Okay, I've done that. Click the next button below to see a quick overview on how to use Crevado to showcase your project. Okay, so let's see. Click on next. This allows you to manage the pages, e.g. about your page, and links which appear to your portfolio. The about page gives you the opportunity to tell the viewer a little about yourself. You can include some bio text. Some people can learn more about you, photograph, and also provide contact information. So these are all the informations you will have. Then you can manage galleries by clicking here. Okay, so these are all that you have. Now let's begin. Okay, so this is what you have here. So the first thing you want to do is to upload your work. Okay, so I have named it flyer design, okay, section. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this one here and put the gallery description. This contains amazing projects on flyers. So something like this. Then client name, that is if most of these designs are from your clients. Okay, so now let me go back. Let's upload the work first. So I'll click on this place. I'll click on this place. Okay, I'm going to click here on upload this place. This one there. So just click by your right corner. You see upload, just click on it. And then you go and bring in your flyers. So make sure you upload the best of your flyers. So I'll just pick one or two just to demonstrate on how to create your portfolios. So let's say we have these flyers here. Okay, let's say I have this one. Okay, now it's uploaded. Okay, now immediately you upload it, you are going to have certain information here. So the first one here is title, and then the width, the height, then comment, then tag, then so all of that. So I can easily fill that one in. The title is just going to be party flyer. Okay, so and then the dimension, I don't have it in centimeter. Okay, but I have it in pixels. So I can leave that one. Then I will come to this one here. Okay, so this one is just to, you can give in a comment about the flyer. This is an amazing flyer for a party celebration. Okay, so just put in something nice there, and then you can click on save. All right, so that's for that one. Then fill in all the necessary informations you have there. Which other one do you have there? You have all of this. Uh, okay. So I have been able to fill up to this point. Now, passport protection. You can restrict access to this gallery only by requiring a password before the content can be viewed. Okay. So you can actually password your content so that people will not just have unauthorized access to it online. Okay. So that's about that. Okay. Don't worry about that one. Now, what again do you have? Okay, you can hide this gallery from the general public by making it private. So I can make it private. So let me just put it on private. Now, excellent. You just made your first upload. Okay, at any time. I hear that. Now, sorry, this feature is only available with Crevado Premium. Oh, okay. So don't worry about it. I'll leave it public then. I don't have, I don't want to buy anything. Okay, so this is the link. Anytime you want to share your this thing, your portfolio and flyer designs with people. So all you just need to do is to give them this link. So you copy it. All right. Now, what again? You can control whether or not image downloads are enabled. So now I don't want people to download it, just view. So disallow download. I'll click on that. Okay. Then what next? Now, if I want to delete this gallery, I will click on that delete gallery button. So this is it. So this is how to actually upload, you know, on your. Now let me see how it looks like. View page portfolio. This is what you have. Okay. This is what you have for you to be able to view it. That's all you've got. So you can upload as many as possible. Okay. You can upload as many as possible. And if you so this is you just follow the same process of how I created this flyer here. You just follow the same process. Okay, so you can upload as many as possible, and then if they are of the same type, if they are of the same type, you just give them the same name. Okay. Now look at here. Look at here. You can edit that page you have just created. You can edit it. So I can just say, okay, let me click on this to edit. So I'm showing you things you can do. Welcome to the Crevado page content. Don't show again, start tutorial. Just close it. Okay, so this is what you have here. So you click on that flyer and it's going to bring you here. And then whatever you want to do, whatever editing you want to do, you can easily do it here. Okay? You can easily do it here. Now, the reason why people come here to put their portfolio in the public domain is so that they can also, while they are also showing their artistry and professionalism in order to hook clients, they can also sell. That's why you will notice that here you have this weight, height, and here then price. So you can set your price, and if anybody is interested in that kind of flyer, they can actually contact you. All right. So that's it. So I think that's all for logo. Excuse me. So if you want to do any editing, you can do your editing here. And so if it is this flyer you don't want again, you can just click on upload. Let's take another flyer and see how it's going to go. Let's say it is this one. Okay. Let's see how it's going to go. Okay, you can see that it has been substituted immediately. So there's the flyer. Now, the fact here is this. You can use this to actually upload as many flyers as possible under your flyer design. So if all I want to upload there is on flyer, I can do that. Okay. Now, if I want to change the party flyer to this flyer, I need to remove it. In this case, it is not being removed. You could see that you still have, look at here, you still have the flyer here. And when you check your, let's go and view it for you to see what I am talking about. Let's go and view. See your portfolio view. Okay, let's refresh it. Oh, it's not refreshing. Yeah, let's go back. Let me see. Oh, okay. Now so if I want this to show, I will have to, I've uploaded everything. Okay. So if I have this like this, now I need to save it. Let me save it now. So I'll click on this save. If I don't save, I'll still be having the previous one there. So let me go back and view the page. Don't know why this is not affecting the change that I want. Okay, it's not affecting that change. Oh, this is it now. So you can see now. So it's just taking time for it to refresh. So with this, you can keep uploading and keep uploading. Let me show you another one. Let's add another one to it. So we click on upload again. So if everything on your flyer, if you want to showcase your flyer design, everything that has to do with flyer will be uploaded like the way I have done. Okay, so let me say let me upload this. So this is going to be the third one. So that is how to do this. So if it is another thing you want to do, then you create another section for it. So let's say you want to now upload logo, you create another section. But for this one is just simply flyers alone. So now I will have to save it. Okay, after saving it, now let's go and view it. Okay, let's see, what do we have? You see now, you now have three of them. So these are the three. So this is how to actually upload your flyer and create your design portfolio. So you come to this place to edit, then you come to this place to you can switch back and you can edit. Okay, so these are all the flyers I have uploaded so far. These are the flyers, and if I want to see each of them, I just need to click. So this. So that's how to actually upload your project and create your design portfolio. Okay, so that is how to just do that. Now, if you want to create another one, let's say I want to create for thumbnails, okay, or logo or video, if that is what I want to create for, and I want to create a section for. So I will go to this place, this one here. I'll click on galleries, okay. So you return back to galleries, okay. So once you return back to gallery, you have this, my work. So here, okay, this one here. So I'll just click on it. So once I click on it, then I can create my section. So I will have to name the work the way I have done before. So that's the way you're going to do this one too. So this time around, I can call this one thumbnails. So let's say it's thumbnails. I want to put here. Okay. So I will just put it there. Then I will put the description as usual. Okay. I put the description as the usual. So I create different stunning thumbnails for YouTube users. Okay, let's say that's what I have there. Oh, I didn't save this. Sorry about that. So I can also thumbnail designs. Okay, so I'll save it. Okay, then the description too, you are okay. I'll have to save it as well. So make sure you save everything. Then if you are showing a thumbnail that you created for a client, you have to put the client name there and all of that. So now what again? So you can come to disallow downloads and or allow downloads. So just like we have done before, you repeat the same process. Then you come to this place and upload. So this time around, you're uploading thumbnails. So in this section, everything will just be on thumbnails. So I'll just go to where I have my thumbnails. Okay, this is thumbnails. Then I'll just put a few there, something like this. Okay, this is thumbnails there. Then I can fill in this the way I have done before as well. Thumbnails design. No, I can just say this one is like product mockup thumbnails. Okay, so I'll just put that one there. Then I can give a description for design different thumbnails. Okay, so put that one there, and then I'll click on save. So that thumbnail has been saved. Okay, so with that, I can also view it. Let me view. Click on view. So you can see. So this one is just going to be all thumbnails. You see that? That's just going to be all thumbnails. Then this one is going to be all flyers. Do you see that? So with that, you can do as many sections as possible for your designs. If you have logo, you can create a section for logo. If you have video, you can create a section for video, business cards, certificates, banners, posters, IVs, different sections, and then you upload it here. Okay, so that is how to do all of this. And when you're done with all of these things, when you're done with all of this, what you just need to do is to copy your link. So you can copy your link. So if I want to show them the section for just the thumbnail. This is the link for just the thumbnail. So I will come here and just show them. So this is the link. So I can just copy. This is the link. I'll just copy it. Okay, just copy, and that's the link I will give to my clients for them to go and see all the thumbnails I've created. Is that okay? So that's how to go about creating your design portfolio. I hope that is helpful. See you in the next video.